Shiv says, if meditation makes a trauma flare up, do you think we should push through it and keep on meditating? It feels uncomfortable. Yeah, that's a great question. So, yes, meditation in the mainstream at times has been advertised and promoted as this thing that makes you feel peaceful and calm and happy and whatever. But actually, meditation opens up a space where things that we may have bottled up begin to surface, such as trauma. Typically, in a short meditation, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, doesn't necessarily bring up a lot, but for some, it definitely can. Definitely can. Meditation is the complete opposite, if done with the right intention, is the complete opposite of avoidance, right? So we sit and it starts to surface some of this stuff. Now, this is known. This is part of the process within spiritual traditions. Things come up, you keep sitting, you remember impermanence, you observe it, you watch it, right? You can, work with it as a fleeting phenomena in the system and allow it to be released. Do we have to stay with that? Depends on our degree of comfort and safety and understanding of the process. We don't have to stay with it if we're not feeling the courage to do so. We can take a break from it. We can find a better, more safer context to do it. So, for example, in like a traditional sense, this is the idea of being with a teacher, being in a sangha, being in a community where you meditate, and there's others going through similar processes, or there's others who have been through similar uh, upheavals and clearings of trauma. So they're able to be there and remind you that you're safe, support you. They're able to understand as well. Ideally, they've done their own work, so they're operating from, compassion themselves, and so they can have compassion for you, and that creates an ideal environment for people to release their trauma. If you're going to do it alone in your room, for example, like me, um, that's not the only way of doing it. And for some, that's not the way that they're meant to do it. They may have lots of intense difficulty and trauma. They may not feel confident. And so, ideally, not feeling that you need to dive into deep meditation and process all of this stuff. Find the right context for you. Take it slow, take it in breaks. There's other ways of processing trauma as well, not just in meditation, right? Talking it out with somebody. There's so many great modalities out there. There's therapy. We can journal, we can contemplate, we can express through art. There's many safer ways to do it as well. If we're called into meditation, we have the right context, we feel courageous, we feel safe, then we can go into it. It feels right. For me, I had no choice. It's like all I wanted to do was just be in my bed with my feelings because I knew I was safe. But for some, that's not the case. So we want to take it slow. We don't have to feel like you have to keep going if things are coming up like this. Um, if it's manageable, though, then we want to keep sitting. Meditation isn't necessarily meant to be comfortable, peaceful, joyful all the time. If it gets a little uncomfortable, emotions start coming up, but you can manage it. You're not going to go off the rails. You know you're going to be okay. Then keep sitting, keep sitting. Watch as it dissolves. Be with the feelings, get to know them a little bit, keep sitting, see what happens there. But if it's intense, don't push too much. Don't push too much. It's like the gym, right? You go to the gym, you lift weights. You don't lift too much that you hurt yourself, but you also don't lift too little that nothing happens, right? You want to give yourself the right amount. Same with the meditation. Same with the meditation. So keeping all of that in mind as well. And of course, going back to that analogy at the gym, you want to be safe as well, right? You want to be safe as well, right? You don't, go for a world record bench press by yourself, where nobody can help you if you can't lift the weight up off your chest, right? You want to be around somebody that can help. Same idea.